very careful who you let into your home, because if it doesn't go the way you want it to go, you might have to do an eviction to get them out. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm a landlord's attorney out in California. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos and our channel. Just got a war story here for y'all. Couple of instances this week about owners, whether they were trying to help their friends or whatnot, co-workers, someone in need with temporary housing, tells that person, hey, you can, stay at my place for a week, try to figure things out, and, there's no payment of rent, that type of deal. Problem is that occupant, whoever you invited in, doesn't want to leave now. You get into argument, you might call the police out. Police come out and, you tell them, hey, this person's trespassing, and law enforcement says, hey, I'm sorry, that's a civil matter. We can't do anything about getting this person out. You're going to have to call a lawyer and do a court eviction. A lot of owners don't realize that scenario of just letting someone in your home, even though they don't pay rent, you've created what's called a tenancy at will in California. All that means is, hey, you're a person that was allowed to, reside at the property, whether it's for a day, a week, a year. That's basically a tenancy at will, because it's an indefinite term that you're allowed to stay. And under California law, you got to give at least 30 days notice to terminate that tenancy. And worse, if that person doesn't leave after you give them notice legally, you got to go do a court eviction. Most people, when they're thinking about these things, they're thinking about it in the sense of, hey, I'm just trying to help someone out. And back in the day, people would just leave. Nowadays, you get people that want to try to take advantage of that. They know their rights. They know you got to give them notice, but you don't know. And then they're calling us here, with, what has completely gone wrong. So my cautionary tale to folks that are, lending out space, to help a friend or owner, or whoever, is just be careful what you're getting into. Because if that person doesn't leave, you're probably going to have to call a guy like me to go over how we have to get this person out legally. Because nowadays in this environment, law enforcement's not going to help you out. And in California, it's super easy to create a tenancy at will inadvertently without understanding what you're going to have to go through if things go south. So hope that helps. Until next time, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.